How to connect LEDs in series and parallel. This is a tutorial of how to connect wire LEDs. Most of you out there just have started studying electronics, and there are a lot of projects that require LEDs in them. We are going to show you and answer all your questions regarding the connections of LEDs. Nowadays, almost every electronic tool is the use of LEDs in them. Projects that contain LEDs are captivating and gives knowledge as properly. There are a lot of different sorts and colors available within the market for LEDs, from which you could select in keeping with your desire and projects. If you want to use LEDs in any way, it is best to connect or wire them in the correct manner. You cannot drive them directly with batteries. It will burn the LED instantly or shorten their life. Therefore, a current limiting resistor is always used with them. How to select the right resistor for your LED? Choosing the current prescribing resistor isn't always so tough. There are many online websites which has loose LED resistor calculators along with. You simply need to upload a few LED specifications like deliver voltage, drop voltage, or forward voltage, modern scores, and the range. LEDs. This will offer you with a resistor cost to use with your LEDs. These values are given within the LED specifications, but in case you don't have them, you may get those fee by way of the following guide. Supply voltage. The voltage you want to use to run the LEDs, such as 3V, 6V, etc. Drop or forward voltage. This can be determined by LED's color. If it's blue or white, then select 3.3 or 3.5 volts. If they are red, green, and others, select 2 volts. Current ratings. 3 milliliter-sized LEDs use 20 mA or 30 mA current for full brightness. Connecting LEDs. The first step is to recognize their connecting points or connection polarity. You can without difficulty recognize the fine and terrible factors of any LED with the assist of its lengthy and quick leads or flat facet, as proven inside the image below. Connecting LEDs in series and parallel. The preferred method of connecting LEDs while operating with batteries is connecting them in series because one resistor is used as a current limiter for many LEDs, whereas in parallel each of them requires a separated resistor and each resistor wastes some amount of power. The diagrams below show you how LEDs are connected in series and parallel LED in parallel. But there are some limitations in connecting in series as well. You cannot operate 4 LEDs of 3 volts with 6V of supply because 4 LEDs of 3V are equal to 12V, so they require 12V DC. In parallel, you can do that by simply connecting